Sometimes, behind a simple request, there's a story full of love. Stay until the end. This one will touch your heart and teach you English too.
Please, sir, it's for my daughter's wedding. Can you give me a small discount?
Your daughter's wedding. That sounds beautiful. When is it?
Next week. She's marrying the love of her life. I just want her to have this dress.
Oh, so it's for your daughter, not for you.
Yes, she saw it here last month, but it was too expensive. I told her not to worry, that I'd find a way.
You're a good mother. It's not easy to make dreams come true.
I've been saving coins every day, but I'm still short.
How much do you have?
$80. The dress costs $100.
Only 20 away. You've come this far. That's impressive.
I don't want anything free, just a small help.
I understand. Let me check something.
Thank you. She'll be so happy if I bring it home today.
All right, here's what I'll do. You pay 80. The rest, consider it a wedding gift.
You mean I can take it?
Yes, but only if you promise to send a photo of her smiling in it.
I will. You're such a kind man. God bless you.
Just doing my part. Love is worth more than money.
I'll never forget this day. You helped make her dream real.
And that's the best kind of business, one that makes people happy.
Join your free English course now, link below.